I'm Scott from Tentworld Brendale, and today I'll be looking at the Pro Nano Duo Cookset, and I'll be doing an unboxing for you. The Pro Nano Duo Cookset includes a 0.7 litre bowl, a 0.5 litre bowl, a 0.9 litre pot, a 1.3 litre pot, nylon scour pad and mesh storage bag. So the bowls can actually be used as lids for each pot, very handy. You also see the nice little handles that they've got on them. It's heat resistant, easy to clean, abrasion and corrosion resistant, has a mesh bag as I said before, and it's hard anodized aluminium construction. So that's the Pro Nano Cookset. We also have the Pro Nano Solo Cookset and the Pro Nano Squad Cookset, which we'll be going through in other videos. All available at Tentworld.